What we're going to do now we've created some multilingual content in English and Welsh is that we're going to create a landing page and force the system to have a Welsh landing page. This is something the system doesn't really want to do because it knows that the base installation is English, and so if we were to select a Welsh landing page, almost certainly we would find that the menu would be English. So we're going to cheat a little bit. So what we're going to do, we're going to create a special landing page that redirects the content to the Welsh landing page. Now this is how we do this. So we go and select one of our special pages, and a special page, this can be language neutral, and we're going to call it landing page. And in this landing page we're going to put a little bit of JavaScript. Now JavaScript is a programming language, and many web pages contain little bits of JavaScript to give the interactivity that you're almost certainly used to. Well, I've written a little bit of JavaScript here, and the pertinent bit of the JavaScript is this command here, which basically says as you load this instruction, go to this page here, and this page here is our desired Welsh landing page. In JavaScript we make your comments after double slashes, and I've written a few comments about how this script actually works. So no need for any fancy programming skills, you can just copy and paste this little instruction. I always like to comment things to make it easy for other people to follow. We're going to do this in full HTML, and that's why we have the script tags which just tell the page as it loads to understand this, and as we save it the page will almost certainly just relocate to the Welsh landing page, and that's exactly what it did. Now we've got this functionality, what we need to do is to set the page as the default landing page, and to do this we head over to configuration, and the first thing we need to do is know what the name of the page is, the node name, and the best way to find this out is to head down to URL aliases, and then if we read down the left hand column we will see down about here, yes, here it is, the landing page HTML, that's the friendly name, but the node is node 92, so just make a note of node 92. And now let's go back to configuration. You can click there, or in the breadcrumbs just click there, and we're going to go to site information. And what we're going to do once we're in site information, we're going to change the default front page to node 92, no leading slash there, that's really important, and let's try changing the default access denied page to node 92, and the default 404, that's page error, to node 92. So what will happen now, anybody trying to land on the info point for the first time or making a mistake, anything like that, it'll automatically head over to the Welsh landing page. So what's going to happen now, if we click on the home button, home is now the Welsh landing page, and so we should briefly see the landing page, and hey presto, we're on the welcome page. Now if you like a final refinement, you can go and change the title of the landing page and add in to the Welsh welcome, and add in the same Welsh content so that the page looks like it is the same page all along, but actually in the background the loading is going to happen. So that's what we're going to do in a moment. So what we're going to do, just pick up our text by going to edit, and then just highlight the content and copy, and then we can close out of there, and if we go to content we can never just redirect to our landing page because we whizzed off it, but here we can go into the content menu and edit the landing page, and let's hit a few carriage returns at the front and hit paste. Now, because this is in full HTML, we have to put our paragraph tags in. I'm sorry if this sounds complicated, but it's actually pretty straightforward if you're familiar with using a lot of HTML type content generation. If you're not, just take it as rote that this is what you need to do to make it work. If you didn't do this, all the text would just bunch up together because it wouldn't know it's in a paragraph. And let's just put welcome for the new name of the page and hit welcome, and there we are. And now we have saved the page, and if we hit our home button, we see the welcome, the page relocates and the little button appears, and we've done it.